Hello everyone, we are doing one of the case study from the 10th board paper. Vaibhav installed a fence around a circular field. So there is a circular field given to us and Vaibhav has installed a fence around it. With a total cost amounting to be 6,000 at a rate of 30 per meter. So the total cost of fence around this field will cost him 6,000 at a rate of 30 rupees per meter. He now plans to plough the field. So now he wants to plough the field. That means ploughing the field will be done here, which he wants to do after this. So find what is the perimeter of the field. So first thing we need to find the perimeter of the field. As it is given to us that the whole fence cost will be 6,000 rupees by 30, because it is 30 rupees per meter, will give you the perimeter. That means 2 pi r of this. Perimeter is 2 pi r for the circle. So calculating this, so perimeter is equal to 6,000 by 30, 0 and 0 cancel, and 3 2, so it comes out to be 200 meters. That means your 2 pi r or the perimeter is 200 meters. What is the radius of the circular field? So to find the radius, as we know, 2 pi r is 200. That means r will be 200 by 2 pi, putting the value of pi 22 by 7. So 200, 1150. So 350 by 11 is your r. So you can simplify this, and otherwise you can use the same value 350 by 11 to calculate the other things. So we have taken out r is equal to 350 by 11. Simplifying this, r will come out to be 11 3 33, 11 1 31.8, 182 meters, which gives you 31.82 approximately meters for the radius. So next we have to find the area of the field. So area of the field will be what? Pi r square. Third part, first option. So area of the field is what? Pi r square. We have to calculate pi r square, which is 22 by 7. As we know, r, I am taking this r, is 350 by 11 whole square. So this will give you 22 by 7 into 350 by 11 into 350 by 11. So simplifying this, so 11 2 7 5. So 2 into 5 is 100, and 100 into 350 will give you 35,000 by 11. So this will, when you simplify it, this will give you same over here what we have calculated, but the decimal point shifts. So 3181.82 meters. I hope this is clear to you. So next we have to find the cost of ploughing the field at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. So as we have already calculated the area where it is going to be ploughed, you have to just multiply the rupees 0.50 to this. So third B part, find the cost of the ploughing at the rate of 0.50. So we know the area of the field comes out to be 3181.82 meter square. So cost of ploughing will be into 0.50, because this is the rate for ploughing the field. So when you multiply this, you will get rupees 1590.91. So this is the cost of ploughing the field. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please message me in the comment.